Hey, what's up guys? Today we're doing another build. This is a blue and black theme PC housed inside the Deepcool Tesseract ATX tower. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get on with the parts and then we'll do the build. So here are the parts that we're going to be using in this build. For the motherboard, it's a P7P55D-LE from ASUS. The CPU is a Core i5-750. We're going to be pairing that with 8 GB of Muskin Silverline memory. These are two 4 GB sticks running in dual channel mode at 1600 MHz speed. The GPU we'll be using is a MSI Twin Forzer Power Edition. This is the 660 Ti. We'll be storing the OS on a 128 GB SSD, and for storage we'll be using a Seagate 2 TB hard drive. To cool the CPU, we're going to be using a Maelstrom 120T all-in-one closed-loop liquid cooler by Deepcool. To power all of that, we'll be using Seasonic's Platinum 1000 watt PSU. This is a 80+ Platinum certified power supply. We're going to be storing all of the parts inside the Deepcool Tesseract ATX tower. This is the blue and black edition. The very final thing we'll be adding is the RGB 350 by Deepcool. These are two LED strips controlled via remote, and they'll light up the inside of the case. That is all the parts. Now let's get on to the build.